collection of books. It is more than 20 lakh books. In London, one of the most popular library is London Library. It has more than 1 million books and periodicals in over 50 languages. Now, can you tell me which library has more number of books? Here, the number of books of the National Library is represented in Hindu-Arabic system, and the number of books of London Library is represented in the international system. Let us learn the relation between Hindu-Arabic system and the both represent same and both are all basic with nothing but substance. Let's see how any numerous systems are the base value of both systems. Let's that one cases are same. We can say one period both systems are same. Next we can do 1000 and that's basic same. We call it as lakh and it's called 100,000 in the national system. So that's equal to 100,000. Next we come to 10 lakh play or million base. Both are equal to 1,000 thousands. Get 30. 1 crore is equal to 10 million. The crore is equal to 100 million. That would the relation between the two systems. Now we learn how to read large numbers according to those. 3, 4, 2, 1, 7, 8, 8. So third, that is the base value of the Indian numeral system. There are 3 ones, 0 tens, 800s, 7,000s, 1 10,000, 6 lakhs, 2 10 lakhs, 4 crores, and 3 10 crores. We have to copy that. 20 crore, 26 lakh, 17,803. Now let us read the number in international. The base value are 3 ones, 0 tens, 800s, 7,000, 1 10,000, 600,000, 2 millions, 4 10 millions, and 300 millions. We can read it as 302,670,800.
Correlation between Hindu-Arabic system and international system. Hindu-Arabic system, you know that Hindu-Arabic system, and this is ones. I will start from here. Tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, yeah, I'm in the class. I will talk to you later. Okay. Somebody has written something, but I don't. Tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, millions, 10 millions, and 100 millions. In every period, there are 3 digits in the international system. 3 digits. Okay, same as we 3 digits in the number system of India International. How many digits are there in the international place value system in the first period? 3 digits, and also in our system 3 digits. Next, in the second period from the ones, that is thousands, that is also thousands period is, it has in our system, there are 2 periods, 2 digits in the international Indian system of thousands period. When we comes to international system, it has 3 digits. It has 3 digits in the ones period, also 3 digits. But in the lakhs, there are 2 digits in the Indian system, and there are 2 digits in the crores. And here, in every period in the international system, there are 3 digits. Right? Whenever to divide the number into the periods, there are we divide it into use commas by using 3 digits once. Okay, this is all about Indian Arabic system and Indo-Arabic system and international system. What is the correlation between these two systems, right? What is the correlation? You know that up to thousands, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. Both are same. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. But the difference is from here onwards. In our system, after 10,000s place, we get lakhs, and in international system, it will be 100,000s. Right? 1 lakh is equals to, so 1 lakh equals to 100,000s. 100,000s. And what about 10 lakhs? In our system, 10 lakh is equals, in Indian national system, it is 1 million. Yes. So 1 million equals to 10 lakhs. 10 lakhs. Yeah, right. Next, in Indian system, it is crore. And what about in international system is 10 millions. So these two are related, correlation between. Next, as well as 10 crores. And what about in international system, it is 100 millions. So if we know the relation between these two place value systems, we could know the relation between that lakhs and millions into lakhs, right? If I ask a question to you now, a small question I will ask you, right? 10 lakhs equals to dash thousands. Okay, any one of you please raise your hands, then I will give permission to them to speak with me. Mohan Krishna, okay, thank you. I will wait. I will come. Yes. Yes, okay. So 1 lakh, here we know that 1 lakh is equals to 100,000, as we know. As usual, 10 lakhs equals to how much? How many thousands? 1 lakh is equals to 100,000. Then what about 100 makes 1 lakh, right? Right, okay. 2 million equals to 20 lakhs. Number 5. 642. Yes. According to Indian system, use commas. First period has a 3 digits, so that use comma here. There are, yes, this is ones and this is thousands. You just read the number along with the period. So we should know that 72,000. Yeah, 600 and 42. Right? This is about the name of the number. So if you write in international system also, we can get the same number. And I will tell you the second one. What is the second one? 55, 345. 55, 345. Right? Use comma. According to Indian system, first period there are 3 digits. Use comma here. These are the ones. And this is thousands. You just write now 55, thousands, 345, right? So this is all about writing number names by using Indian system, and write the numbers in figures. This is very, very important topic, what I am going to say. To write the number names, it is very easy task, and write the numbers in figures is question number 6 in the same exercise. Exercise 1.1. Question number 6, write the numbers in figures. Write the numbers in figures. Yes. Question number 1. How to write 40,000? 40,270. 270. Yes, our task is ready. How to write 40,000? The peoples are written like this. I will show you what mistakes they will do. 40,000, okay, and 270. These people will be right like this. So is it right? No, it is that is not correct, right? So what should we do to avoid this type of mistakes? If you know the place value system and periods, it is very easy to express yourself, to write the numbers in the figures. Very easy. I will tell you a smart how to write the number names in the figure without mistake, right? Yeah. Okay. We have periods. How many periods? Ones and thousands, lakhs and crores, right? How many digits will be there in the ones period? Do that. How many periods do that ones period? Yes, there are 3. So 3 periods, 3 digits should write, and 2 digits should write in the thousands. And how many? Wait, somebody has written something. I have to rub it. Yes, okay. Lakhs and crores. There are 3 digits in this period. There are 3 digits you have to write. So you have to write 2 digits, 2 digits, and 2 digits. This is the way of writing in the Indian system. Now here we have 40 thousands. Kada 40 thousands. F-O-R-T-Y, 40 thousands. You just write 40,000. How? 40 thousands. If now I'm going to write 40 thousands in the thousands period. Yes, 40,000. Next 270. 270. 270. Right. If you know the periods, it is very easy to write the number names. Write in the figures. 40,270. Okay, I will tell you one more thing. 14,064. 14,000. 14,000s. 4 in the thousands place, 1 in the 10,000s place. So it makes 14,000 and 64. If you write 64 here, is it right? No. So why? Because in the ones place we have to write 3 digits must. We must write 3 digits. So we just write, there is no hundreds in the number. So it can be right like this. Okay. Next 9,700. Yes, we'll go thousands period. Then 9,000, right? Yes. Next 700. Okay. 700. Hundreds. There is no tens and ones. So this is the way of writing the numbers in the figures, right? Next, after that, we should go Which is the greatest one digit number? One digit, smallest and greatest. Two digits, smallest and greatest. Three digits, smallest and greatest. Four digits. Next, five digits. And six digits. Yes. Can you tell me about the one digit smallest number and the greatest number? Smallest number is 1. The smallest one digit number is 1. The greatest? Greatest, please, come on, speak out. Oh, sorry, I muted, no? Okay. So greatest. The greatest number is 9. Yeah? And what about the smallest two-digit number? That is 10. The greatest two-digit number is 99. And what about the smallest three-digit number is? Smallest three-digit number is 100. Greatest three-digit number is 999. If we add 1 to this number, we'll get smallest four-digit number, that is 1000. The greatest four-digit number is 9999. If we add 1 to this number, we get, what is the number? Yes, this is 10,000, which has a 5 digits. We call it as smallest 5-digit number. So up to where the 5-digit numbers are extended, we'll extend these numbers 99,999. What will happen when we add 1 to this greatest 5-digit number? Yes, that is 1 lakh, which has how many digits altogether? There are 6 digits. The smallest 6-digit number is 1 lakh. And what about the greatest 6-digit number? 999999. Use commas. First period has 3. All the rest periods has only 2 digits. So now let us read this number: 9,99,999. What will happen? What is the number we get adding 1 to greatest 6-digit number? Yes, that is 10 lakhs. 10 lakhs is the greatest. Just a minute. 10 lakhs is the smallest 7-digit number. So this is all about, it is there in the question number 8 in the exercise 1. And then so these are the topics we have discussed today. Please, what did you understand? I am going to unmute those who raised your hands. I'm going to unmute those such persons. Those persons, please. And just wait. Yes. Okay, just raise your hands. I'm going to unmute and will give the answer to me. And if you want to speak to me, if you raise your hands, I will unmute them. And whatever the topics we have learned in this session, regarding that topic, I am going to ask some questions. Okay, I will give the time for 3 minutes. It already is, we are suppressed our time. I'm taking the next your time. Sorry for that. And okay, Mohan Krishna, please unmute and speak to me.
Sir.
Yes. Okay. What are the topics we have learned in the session? Please, any one topic.
Sir, smallest digit, smallest and biggest, sir.
Smallest
Numbers and biggest numbers, sir.
Okay. Smallest large numbers.
Indian number system and
Yes, international system and Indian system.
Indian number.
Okay, Meher Siddharth. Okay, Nana, thank you. Meher Siddharth, unmute, Nana. Unmute.
Yes, sir.
Yes. What is the correlation between Indian system and international system?
Sir, Indian number system has four boxes, sir.
Periods. We call
Ones,
it as periods.
thousands,
Period.
lakhs, crores, sir.
Yes, very good, Nana. Very good. Yes.
Periods.
Yeah, yeah.
International number system has three
Hmm.
periods, sir.
3 periods. Very good, Nana. Very
Ones,
good. Yes.
thousands, millions, sir.
Wow. Very good. Please
One to
give a,
thousands, millions, sir.
give a round of applause to him, everyone. Please. Yes, yes, yes. That's good. Keep it up. Yes, thank you. And Sasidhar.
Sir,
Yes, 1 million is equals to dash lakhs. In in international system, 1 million.
your voice is
equals to-
breaking, sir.
Yeah, okay, okay. In international system, 1 million is equal to
Sir, 1 million is
equal to how many lakhs in our Indian system?
sir, 100 lakhs is equal 1 million is equal to 100 lakhs.
100 lakhs. Okay. Is it? 1 lakh is equals to 100,000. 10 lakhs is equals to 1 million. Right? Okay, thank you.
Oh.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, thank you, Nana. Right. And Ashok Dandla. Ashok, what is that? Unmute and please speak to me, Nana. Ashok.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay. Okay. Okay, is there any questions to you ask me?
No, sir.
Okay, thank you. Okay, what is the topic we have learned today? Unmute yourself and speak to me.
Sir, Indian system,
Uh-huh.
Indian system,
Okay,
international system.
very good, very good. Okay, and then thank you, Nana. And okay, very good. Your concentration is very well. Okay, we'll continue this concentration till end of the session of for this academic year, and I will give the homework. Exercise 1.2. 1.2 has estimation, and I will explain about that in the next class, next session. And again, exercise 1.1, there is 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th problems I'm giving today homework. Here we can do it in the new notebook. So I'm going to correct. I will call you to come to the school to get your correction. By that time, I will see if you are not completed your work, you will be getting some punishment. Okay. Those who write good writing and everything, they will be awarded and rewarded. What is the homework I have given today? Exercise 1.1, question number 5, 6, 7, 8. Right. And we'll meet again in the next session with a new topic. Till then, take care. Bye-bye. Stay home and stay safe. Thank you.